Hello, this is Paul. I just wanted to give a shout out to Mr. Sam from Cloudways Hosting. Cloudways are an awesome company who I've worked with over the last year. They've helped me migrate away from kind of inappropriate shared hosting solutions and overpriced, that's unfair, not overpriced, but high-priced managed WordPress solutions that I don't need, to joining the new generation of hosting solutions, which are cloud-based VPS, scalable stuff. Got to know Mr. Sam over the year, and he's the WordPress community manager over at Cloudways, and I had a package come through my door this week, and here it is. So basically, they sent me a super nice care package with some really cool swag in it. I'm already wearing the t-shirt, and there's a cool graphic on the back as well. See that? But there's another t-shirt which I was wearing yesterday, so that one's getting washed now, so I can wear it again tomorrow. I live in swag, that's my thing. And I would do an unboxing of this, but quite honestly, everything's gone. I've all the t-shirts, stickers are on the various different computers. There's one of them right here. My daughter's got one of the notepads, and my wife's got the other one, which she took to a job interview just the other day for some part-time work. And so there's nothing in the box anymore. But my daughter has told me I need to bring that box home because she thinks the box is wonderful and she wants to put cool stuff in there as well. So I just wanted to give a genuine thank you to Mr. Sam and all the people at Cloudways. And thank you so much for being such an awesome company, and I'm looking forward to 2019 and working with you guys and advocating what you do and helping you get to understand the WordPress community more and more, just like we have been over the previous year. So thank you so much for that. It really does mean a lot, and I value your friendship, Mr. Sam. So thank you for that, and speak to you soon. Cheers.